This is Sweet Apple Production, and today we are on the street again. And Charlie, I get my G's for here. If I say my G's, I mean now. So Charlie, what be the name?
My name be Alien_D Money on Snapchat.
Sheesh. Now for the legend they come when I get my another G for here. What be the name?
I be Pascal Emperor for Twitter. Yeah, that be Twitter.
Sheesh, the Twitter guys. Pascal they here. So Charlie make I come the middle about this question there. So Charlie, the snap for Yabamusu. So I beg boss. The question be saying, what be the biggest lie? I mean, you say boys there, it be the vibe now. You go crush the baby in mind. What be the vibe way you vibe that shorty way Charlie? It forgive you.
Gee, you give me trouble. Yeah, I carry one time for Marina More. My party with gas out. Then he hold some ref, but then get this badge, Office of the President or something like that for the car inside. I'm sure you really figure she walk around a column. Then she know the bow. Like she no come. So as you come to the car inside, we should come out. But she have home on them. We should come. Tell her to make you check the badge you did in front. Office of the Presidency. I say, yeah, I know the joke like that. So you do it next time. She may give boy.
Boys can lie. Boys, you guys are liars.
Boys, sheesh, boys. Sheesh. Girls, Charlie, right now be the car we go take give the pressure. All right, so my Twitter legends. So Bozu, the question there. I don't know which one I will give you back. What be the vibe that baby way? It fall like down flat.
Oh, me, I know they do their vibes. But I guy that one time be like that, so my guy be post and lady be tell him say make it take the number game. So me then the girl the vibe, but the girl asked me see we are get the number for. But now I know the one seller, so I thought the girl see I go do swapping we I see the number for the front top way. Charlie, since then the vibe still go all right. Wow.
Why they talk? Hey! So David, why they talk?
Hey, Charlie, I say free you guys. Sheesh. The vibe is solid. Hey. Okay, so then the second question. So let's say assume you propose give shorty right now. Within 3 days now, you call you say, baby, I need money. What be the name of that baby? Like how you think, how you ask you that money, how you calm your mind inside?
Charlie, you won't make her give them name or something.
Give me the name.
Charlie, it's for the streets, man.
For the streets. Sheesh. Okay. So at the beg, your own be say. So let's say you propose give that shorty right now. Then it tata you plus the machine. What be the name of that baby?
Oh, she be for the street.
God will judge you.
But I know if you pro give you right this now, you can tata you be go fear.
Go suck your mother.
Because Charlie, at least Bobby there for you before you
Jesus.
more. You see that thing so.
The street.
Yeah.
The streets. If you record, the streets. Sheesh. All right, so Charlie, I want make you throw your handle, make the fans know where the people will go follow you, make them follow you.
My handle for Snap be Alien_D Money.
So the snap family, aliens, so Charlie, and my G for here. What be the handle? Make the fans follow you.
Handle for Twitter be Pascal Emperor, but the E capital E. So Pascal capital E.
So okay, the capital E.
Yeah.
All right, so Charlie, thank you. Sheesh, but the lie they are the beg. Make it slower.
The whole thing is say the short is for DG, wow. Yeah.
Sheesh,
We love
sheesh.
this squad, but the squad type put give you pressure.
Sheesh. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Sweet Apple Production. Sheesh.